when police arrest a suspect and is taken in for questioning, how common is it for the suspect to immediately decline to answer any questions and request an attorney immediately? Not very common, surprisingly uncommon, annoyingly uncommon from my perspective. So what we're talking about really is Miranda warnings. If you're in custody, you've got a right against self-incrimination that compelled self-incrimination that attaches at that point, and that's why police read Miranda warnings. They're trying to prophylactically let you know what your rights are so that you have the ability to assert them. The assumption is that you're a lay person, you don't know any better, and it's easy for the police to abuse that if they just don't tell you what your rights are. I am of the growing opinion that if people actually understood the Miranda warnings, they would never waive them, because by the time they take you into custody and read you Miranda warnings, they have probable cause for your arrest. They think more likely than not you have committed a crime. They're almost certainly going to arrest you no matter what you say, and no matter how much you think you can talk your way out of it, you can't. You're either a liar because you're not telling them the information that they want, or you're giving them just enough information to corroborate the information that they think they already know, so it proves that you're guilty. At that point, it's always, well, not always, but I could say almost always in your best interest to politely say, I think I should probably have an attorney present before I answer any questions. Totally acceptable, can be done totally politely. Call an attorney, get expert advice. Now, I want to reiterate that no TikTok information can ever supplement particularized legal advice applied to an individualized circumstance evaluated from your vantage point. You're just not going to be able to get that information in a usable way from TikTok. Call a lawyer if you've got any questions, but again, just the polite, I would like to have an attorney present. If you hear the words, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can will be used against you in court of law. You have the right to have an attorney present before any questioning begins. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to you at no expense. Do you understand these rights? Yes. Would you like to speak with me? Yes. That's not a great choice under almost all circumstances. Great question. Till next time.